We go back to that swimming story and tell you that Speedos Club are the champions of the 2022 Karl Dalhouse Memorial Invitational Meet after a come-from-behind victory at the three-day meet, which ended over the weekend. But as we'll hear in this report, it was the quality of performances which impressed the coaches.
Speedos, who were trailing on points late into the meet, pulled off a come-from-behind victory to win the event on Sunday's final day, tallying 982.5 points to Tornadoes' 912 points. Their head coach, Gillian Millwood, admitted that she didn't think the team could pull it off, but also gave credit to other clubs for raising their level.
At least 3 of our major points earners out with illness, sudden illness this week. And that really affected with how the summons is set up and how the points earning is down. That really, jeopardized some stuff. We had some really strong kids who are still learning how to operate in the race atmosphere. And so we had a couple DQs that weren't to our liking. And of course, the competition is stepping up all across the board. I'm really proud, really honored to be competing and having swimmers, producing swimmers who are competing with, the likes of all the clubs around, Tornadoes, Kaizen, unattached from Montego Bay. Everybody is yielding quality swimmers and quality swims with amazing work.
In the meantime, World Short Course Championship representative Zanita Alvaranga was one of 6 record breakers at the meet, lowering the 15 to 24 age group 50-meter freestyle mark. Alvaranga swam 26.85 seconds to break the previous mark of 27.02.
I'm very happy that everything is trying to get back to a sense of normality, because now I'm in more of a rhythm to compete and not just train and not have anything to look forward to. So it gives me more meets and goals to be motivated by in training.
Leanna Wainwright was awarded the top prize in her age group, but still wanted to swim faster in the 15 to 24 backstroke, despite setting a new meet record in the event. She clocked 2 minutes 32.07 seconds, breaking the 2:33.48, but was still outside her lifetime best 2:31.01.
For the record, I wasn't looking on the record. I was looking to make a personal best. For the record, I actually added time. I did not take off time, but I'm still really happy that I got the record. My aim was to swim below 2:30, and I got 2:32. But I can't be very mad at myself. I'm happy that I got the record.
Aquamarine Ripples were 3rd, Kaizen Swim Club 4th, while unattached Mobay, Swimmers Aquatic, and the Sailfish Academy took spots 5 through 7.